Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us do some example problem regarding pressure changes due to altitude changes. Example, if the atmospheric pressure at sea level is 10.143 Newton per centimeter square, determine the pressure at a height of 2800 meter, assuming the pressure variation follows hydrostatic law and second one isothermal law. The density of air is given as 1.208 kg per meter cube. Now let us consider the first case, hydrostatic law. Pressure by hydrostatic law. By equation dP by change of pressure with respect to altitude dz equal minus rho g. Integrating dP equal integrals minus rho g dz with limits p0 to p and z0 to z. Now integrating dp is p, giving the limits p minus p0 equal here minus rho g z minus z0. For datum line is at sea level, that means z0 equal to 0. Then we can write p minus p0 equal minus rho g z, because z0 is 0. Now p equal p0 minus rho g z. So we'll use the values. P0 is sea level is 10.143. This is now we can say P0 equal 10.143 Newton per centimeter square, which is equal 10.143 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square. So we have to use that one. Therefore P0 is 10.143 into 10 power of 4 minus rho is 1.208 into G is 9.81 and Z is 2800. So here 10.1430 because multiply with 10 power 4 minus here 1.208 into 9.81 into 2800 is equal 33181.344. Now by this subtraction we'll get 6 point, not 6 point, but 68,248.7 Newton per meter square, which is equal 6.4 places 6.82487 Newton per centimeter square, which is equal, we can write approximately equal 6.825 Newton per centimeter square, 3 decimal places. Now second part is with isothermal law, that is pressure variation, pressure by isothermal process. Isothermal here, for isothermal process, pressure is P is given as P0 e power minus Gz by RT. Now here P0 by rho 0, that is pressure by density, is RT. Therefore, you can write P equal P0 e power minus Gz by RT is there, but we can write rho 0 over P0 is 1 over RT, that is rho 0 by P0. Then we will apply the values. P equal P0 is 10.143 into 10 power 4 into e power minus 9.81 9.81 into 2800 P0 is 1.208 over rho 0 is 1.208 and P0 is 10.143 into 10 power 4. Now P equal 10.143 power 4, 10 power 4 is 10.1430 into e power this calculation, that is this complete calculation will give e power minus 0.327 3 decimal approximate. Then further P equal 10.1430 e power, let us calculate this, e power minus e power minus 0.327 equal 0.721083, then equal 10.1430 multiplied by 0.721083 equal 73139.5 Newton per meter square, which is further we can write P equal 7.314 Newton per centimeter square. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.